so the camera is recording. So I literally do not know what I'm recording. This is an experimental vlog. We're going to the beach right now. Which beach are we going to again? That beach. Wasaga. We didn't even know how to pronounce it. So this is an experimental vlog. If the video turns out crappy, I do apologize. Again, my camera is not fixed. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go see if I can get it fixed because I cannot see anything on the LCD screen. The LCD screen is just black. So I have no idea what I'm shooting. I don't even know if I'm in focus. I don't even know how much the lens is zoomed in. I don't even know if you have a light. I do have a light. And I'm sorry for the sound quality because my external mic, the mount literally snapped off, but the mic is what saved the body of the camera. So I am thankful for that. And you guys keep telling me to get a Rode mic, so I guess I'm gonna need a new mic anyway. But yeah, we're on the road. And I was here. I only have one. And we're just getting some supplies. Just lime. We're literally just getting lime from my damn grill. I want lime for my Corona. So exactly what happened was I went to Best Buy where I got the camera and they said I had a warranty, but it wasn't like, it was a weird warranty. And they said it was third party. It was a third party through Panasonic, meaning I had to take my camera to Panasonic, which is in Mississauga. And where we were, which was in Brockville, that's like 4 hours away. So now I have to see if I can take it to Panasonic. And their policy says if the camera was dropped or if there's physical damage, they cannot do anything about it. See, I dropped it. It's just my LCD screen doesn't work, and my LCD screen is a little wobbly, I guess I can say. Like it's kind of like not sturdy. I'll just see if they can fix it. If they can't, then they can't. If it's anything over $250, then I might just like wait 90 days and like get a warranty on this camera and then like get the... I don't know how it's gonna work. I just need to get my camera fixed because I can't keep doing this. I need to see what I'm doing. But to all you fellow YouTubers out there, I don't know how you did it without an LCD screen back in the day. I just don't know how you did it. And it's frustrating me. So, we are almost at the beach. Almost. The GPS is taking us on a little bit of a tour here because we actually have no idea where we're going. Really weird setup. Hopefully it works out okay.
Got lots of Instagram.
Okay, so right now we're at the beach and I just got grab Noah here and my phone. And Nick, here is your phone. That's your phone. Gonna grab Noah. Come on. Get ready.
Sunscreen in years.
That shit's warm still.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, you guys should honestly see this view. I don't even know if I'm recording actually, so hopefully I'm recording. But just make sure it doesn't like. Okay. Awkward thing. Oh. You guys are probably wondering why the quality jumped from like 4K to like 720p because I'm shooting on the Canon PowerShot because there was some issue with the camera not recording. It would record for only 30 seconds. Yeah, it would record for only 30 seconds and then it would just quit. Okay. And the problem I have is there's always a streak every time you point it at a light source. It doesn't matter if it's the sun or like a light bulb. And I apologize for the wind. You guys probably can't even hear me because there is no external mic input on this camera. So I'm just gonna have to like live with it and deal with it. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna have to carry the cooler.
Beaker.
Oh. What?
I'll go back.
Oh, watch out for bikers.
Still good? Yeah. Battery's gonna die. I only have one battery.
What?
We're showing really ground.
Yeah, it's kind of crowded.
What's gonna happen?
Well, I mean,
Did we bring like a blanket or something, or like a? Okay. I am now limited to resources because I only have this thing to work with. Like I said, you got to work with what you got. So this is gonna be fun, and the sound quality on this is probably crap. But I'm just gonna enjoy our time at the beach. I'm not gonna think about my camera gear because it's beach day and it's Canada. I'm gonna enjoy my time. So let's have fun.
come here. I would have bought floaties.
Oh, I should have bought one of those at Canadian Tire. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the montage of us hanging out at the beach. I just really wanted to spend time at the beach because I haven't done this in a very long time. And as you guys know, I'm having difficulty with my camera. It doesn't want to continue to record. It will only record about 30 seconds and then it decided to stop recording for some reason. So I'm actually shooting on the Canon PowerShot F190. I do apologize guys for the sound and the video aspect. I'm sorry for the quality of the video. But it does remind me that this is my setup before I bought this expensive camera, and it just keeps reminding me every day that I gotta work with what I got. Like I said, you gotta work with what you got. And even if I'm shooting on my phone or this camera, I still gotta deliver content, and I have to keep consistent with it. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I do apologize. Hopefully I would never have to use this setup again. Hopefully I can get my camera fixed tomorrow down at Panasonic. And with that being said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys next vlog. Have a good one. And ending the night off with some fireworks.